Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to make money on photos. I'm going to show you few websites where you can make money by selling your photos or graphics. Of course, you will find links to all of those websites in the description of this video, so all you have to do is click on them and then create your accounts on those websites, and then you'll be able to start earning by selling your own photographs. So let's start. First website I would like to talk about is Most Photos. Most Photos is a little bit different than other websites I'm going to mention, because on all of those websites you need to go through verification and application process, which means that you send your photos or your graphics or your video clips, and then there is a reviewer on that website that will check if everything is okay with your photos. Let's say it will check if the resolution is right, if this photograph is pixelized or not, if the light is not too bright or not too dark, or if the colors are okay, if everything is sharp enough and not blurred, etc, etc. And if you pass this verification process, you will be eligible to upload your photos or vector graphics or videos to this website. However, with Most Photos it's a little bit different. There is no application process, no verification process. All you have to do is create your own account on this website, and then you are good to go and you can start uploading your photos and you can start selling them as well. So, how does this work? All you have to do is go to Most Photos, link is in the description. Then on the right side you click Sell Images, you create your own account, and then you upload your own photographs. After you upload the photograph, of course you need to input a description of the photograph, you need to put some keywords over there. You need to select that you are the copyright holder for this photograph, so of course you can sell only the photographs or the graphics that you created. And very important thing, on all of those websites you can sell only those photographs that you created, you hold the copyright to. And also, if there is a person on the photograph that you're trying to sell, you need to have model release. Yeah, so if there is a person, this person needs to sign model release. That means that this person agrees for you to sell the photograph with this person on it. And the same thing is with photographs that have some buildings that are copyrighted. Yes, some of the buildings around the world are copyrighted, for example Petronas Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur. So if you have a photograph of that, you cannot sell it commercially. However, some of the websites that I'm going to mention here also allow you to sell images for editorial use, and that means newspapers, magazines can buy it and you can still sell it to them. So some of those websites will allow that. I'm going to mention that later. So, like I said, Most Photos is great for beginners because there is no verification process, no application process. All you have to do is create an account and upload your photos to start selling them. Next website that is good both for beginners and also professionals is Yay Images. As you can see on this website, there are different categories of the photos. And if we scroll down to the bottom, there is a link Become a Contributor. So if you want to create an account and sell photos here, all you have to do is click over here and you will be able to create your account. After you create your account, you need to upload some of your best photographs so someone can review it, and after they accept it, you will be able to upload more of your photographs and start selling them. And as you can see, this website is quite popular. For example, AppSumo, Yoast, Match or Vimeo are using this website to buy graphics or buy photographs. Next website is Canstock Photo. This website is also quite popular, and this website allows you to sell photos, illustrations and also video clips. So if you want to record some video clips, you can sell them also on this website, and like I mentioned before, you upload the videos and then you go through verification and application process. You just upload the photos, they verify if their quality is high enough, and if you're accepted, you can continue uploading photos and you may start selling them. To create account here, we scroll to the bottom and over here we've got sell your images/clips. So here is where you can start creating your account. Of course, you will find a link to this website in the description of this video, so all you have to do is click on it. The next website is called Deposit Photos. It's also a popular website, so as you can see there are different categories. You can upload photos or simple graphics, vector graphics for example. And in order to register on this website, we need to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then down here we've got Become a Contributor. So after you click on it, you can create your contributor account, upload your images, and one more time you will be verified by some reviewer. If your photos has high quality, you will be accepted and you will be able to start uploading more photos and getting paid every time each of your photos is being sold. And the last website I want to mention is Shutterstock. Shutterstock is also a very good website, and it's great for both beginners and professionals. Shutterstock, if it's not the most popular website in the world, then it is among the top 5 most popular websites in the world when it comes to stock photography, but also stock video footage. So if you are uploading video footage or graphics or photos, this is a great website for you. And like it was in the previous websites, if you want to create your contributor account over here, you need to scroll to the bottom of the page, and then on the left side over here we've got Sell Content. After we click over here, we will be transferred to a website where we can create our contributor account. And like it was before, we need to go through verification and application process. So make sure on this website that you will choose your best work, because verification process here is quite strict, but once you are accepted, these websites from all of the websites that I mentioned generated the most revenue for me because they have a lot of very powerful clients. Let me show you what clients they have. As you can see here, some of their clients is Google, AOL, Capital One, or even Marvel. So this website is extremely popular, one of the most popular websites in the world, so make sure you choose the best photos so you can get accepted on this website. And why did I choose those 5 websites that I mentioned today? First of all, those are the websites that generated the most revenue over the last several months for me, so I wanted to share you websites that actually work, that actually generate some revenue for the photographers or graphic designers, so you don't waste time on the websites that don't really work. From all of those websites, the website that generated the most revenue was Shutterstock. And now let me tell you a few words about how much can you actually earn on these websites. So, of course, every image that we upload can be downloaded multiple times by multiple people. So every time someone downloads it, we will get a revenue. So how much revenue are we going to get? In general, on all of those websites, for one graphic or one image downloaded, we can get anywhere between 20 cents to around 40 or 50 cents per one downloaded image. It may seem that it's a little bit, but if you look at it from the perspective, you will see that it's not that little, because let's say in the future you will have already uploaded 1000 graphics on one of these websites. Of course, you can upload the same graphics on different websites as well. So if you upload this 1000 graphics on those 5 different websites, and let's say this 1000 graphics, from this 1000 graphics, only 10 graphics per day will be sold on each of these websites. So that means you will sell around 50 graphics per day. So 50 graphics per day, if each of those graphics is just 25 cents, that means it's around $12.50 per day of passive income, because you already uploaded it in the past. So this is passive income that you would be getting every month without any more work. So that means $12.50 per day. So if we multiply it by 30 days, that's over $360 every month of passive income without doing anything at all. And of course, it's a very pessimistic estimate because, first of all, if you have 1000 graphics, I would assume you will sell way more than 10 per every day. And of course it depends on the niche that you're making your graphic or photos for, and 25 cents is kind of a minimum that we can get for one download, because it all depends on the website, it all depends on who is buying the graphic. Because for example, if someone is buying it on subscription because it's subscribed to this website, that means 25 cents. However, if someone is just purchasing it one time, it's one-time buy because the person is not on subscription. That means for one download we would get around $1.50 or $2 per one photograph. So imagine how much more you will get if someone is not a part of this website. So that's just an example that 25 cents is just the minimum you will get for one downloaded photograph of yours. And of course, if you upload videos, you will get much more for the videos. The videos usually sell around $7, $10, sometimes $20 per one video. So if you are creating short clips, short videos, this is a great way to earn as well, because if you sell just one video per day, that already will give you $10 per day. So if you upload videos to multiple websites and you will sell one video per each of these websites per day, that means $50 per day just from selling one video a day on each of those websites. So that's $1,500 per month of passive income, because the video is already on the website, anyone can buy it whenever they need it, whenever they want. And of course, the more graphics, the more videos, the more photos you will have uploaded, the more you're going to start earning on this website. And there is one hint that I can give you, is that if there are any events in your city or in your country and you attend those events, make some photos of it. Is it a festival or a demonstration or anything else, or a celebration? Take some photos of this, because this kind of photos are sold like crazy. For example, on those websites that I mentioned, many newspapers and magazines are buying the photographs. So if you make a photograph of Independence Day celebration, for example, then newspapers would be buying it. So you could be able to sell one photograph right after the celebration in thousands. So you can earn, for example, $200 or $300 or $500 in one single day if many of those newspapers would buy your photograph. So that's just a hint for you, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, if you'd like to see another video where I explain in more details how to upload videos there, how to upload photos to those websites, how to write keywords or descriptions. Just let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer it, or I'll try to record another video about selling your photographs, making money on your photos or graphics online. And that's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.